Projects rarely fail because of poor planning alone. They fail because risks were ignored, underestimated, or discovered too late. From unexpected budget issues to technical complications, risks can disrupt even the most carefully planned project. In this video, we explain risk management in project management and why it is essential for successful project delivery. What is risk management? Risk management in project management is a structured approach used to identify, assess, and respond to uncertainties that could affect project objectives. It helps ensure that potential problems are recognized early and addressed effectively. When handled properly, risks become predictable challenges rather than unexpected disruptions. Why risk management is important in project management. Effective risk management plays a crucial role in successful project delivery. First, it helps prevent delays and cost overruns by recognizing potential issues early. Second, it improves decision-making, allowing project managers to allocate resources and adjust timelines more effectively. Finally, it strengthens stakeholder confidence, as clear risk planning shows that potential challenges are being carefully considered and controlled. The risk management process. The risk management process follows 4 key steps. Risk identification. Potential risks are recognized using techniques such as brainstorming, expert insights, and structured checklists. Risk assessment. Each risk is analyzed based on its likelihood and potential impact on the project. Risk response planning. Strategies are developed to address risks. These may involve avoiding, reducing, transferring, or accepting the risk. Risk monitoring and control. Risks are continuously reviewed throughout the project lifecycle to ensure response strategies remain effective. Types of risks in project management. Project risks are generally divided into 2 categories. Negative risks. These are threats that could harm the project, such as missed deadlines, technical failures, or budget overruns. Positive risks. These are opportunities that could benefit the project, such as faster delivery timelines or additional resources becoming available. Recognizing both types allows project managers to reduce potential setbacks, while also taking advantage of favorable situations. Tools used in project risk management. There are several tools for effective risk management. Some of them are Risk Register. A risk register documents all identified risks, their impact, and response strategies. Probability Impact Matrix. A probability impact matrix helps prioritize risks based on their severity and likelihood. SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis provides a broader perspective by evaluating strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that may influence the project. These tools help turn risk management into a clear and organized decision-making process. Risk management is a fundamental part of effective project management. By anticipating uncertainties, analyzing their impact, and developing clear response strategies, project managers can maintain better control over project delivery. Understanding risk is not about avoiding uncertainty. It is about managing it strategically. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more project management insights. For professional training and certifications in project management, visit the Knowledge Academy using the link in the description.